Hey guys, so today I wanted to show you something fairly simple, but not everybody knows how to do. Because I didn't know how to do it for the longest time. And that is just curling hair. I'm going to use the Conair Insta Heat with the clampy thing. I have no idea how to use one of the wands, the curling wands. I tried and I didn't get any results. So this is potential poison ivy wig. It is an old black widow wig. That was a mouthful. And it still can be a black widow wig. Maybe like I do the Civil War suit, which I might do. I like that suit quite a lot. Be easier to do than the Infinity War suit. So it's a little short for poison ivy, but for what I'm doing, that doesn't really matter with her. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start on this side here. I'm gonna do just a little bit of hairspray so it'll hold a bit better. And then comb that through with a wide tooth comb. And like I said, I know this might seem really simple, but I had to watch videos on how to curl hair just for myself, not even wigs. So because there's like fun styles you can do with an undercut, and though I have naturally curly hair, it gets it doesn't look right. Alright, so that's combed through. I'll do a couple different types of curls that I've learned how to do, and I've heated this up. It is on a low heat. Even though this is an Arta wig and they can take higher heat, I really don't want to damage the wig too terribly much. I might boost it. Yeah, I'm going to boost it up to a 5. It goes from 1 to 25, so, or 3. I feel safer with a 3. So you just get a chunk of hair. Not too big because then it won't take it all, but it also depends on what you're needing to do. And you'll just clamp it down at the bottom. One thing I don't like about the clamps is that it will leave a indentation, and so you just kind of wrap it and then hold it for maybe 10 seconds at most. That's not the best angle. And then I try not to unroll it all the way. Then I have a nice soft little curl there. So that's a soft curl, and that's what I want for this. So then just go back through. This was a really like ringlet curly wig, and then I kind of straightened it out because I was thinking about doing the Civil War one, but again I didn't want to put too much heat on it, so I just kind of made it wavy, which I still think it could work. I didn't really care for her hair in that movie. I don't know why she went blonde though. Whatever. And so this one I'm going to try to keep it all in the center best as possible, keep them close together, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None of those were like proper seconds at all. So that didn't hold at all. That's helpful. It held a little bit. So I'm just gonna comb it through again. Sometimes you do have to crank up the heat for it to hold, and it can really damage it, which is frustrating, to say the least. I have damaged a wig trying to get the curl to hold, and it just wouldn't. Might be too thick. Try this again. Spin it up, rotate it towards, depending on which type you're trying to do, rotate it towards the head. I'm gonna go a little bit higher, so curl all the way, and we'll hold it for a good minute. Not a minute, I'm lying. Definitely not a minute. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the hair here. Do not touch the thing. Do not want to burn yourself. Okay. This wig's not gonna hold curl very well, it looks like, anymore. But this one is a little bit more ringlet styled than this front curl. So I'm just gonna go around and keep doing that. Let me see if I can make a tight curl. Because I'm gonna brush them all out anyway, so. Got a slightly smaller chunk of hair. So I'm trying to go in the middle more. And just touch this end, the black end that's not hot. Please don't touch any of the metal. I really don't want you guys burning yourself. I don't want to burn myself. And I just go up. I try to keep it like parallel as best I can. Parallel is the right word, right? I think so. Okay. And I'm going to pinch the hair there. I'm not near that. I'm about an inch from the thing. It's just kind of have control over it, kind of, sort of. We're slowly getting tighter with the curls. My other wig took curls really well, but this one doesn't want to. It's kind of flat on the bottom too. I'm not loving that. Let's see. Let me do a thin piece of that. Maybe it's just because it's such thick hair. Let's see here. I haven't used curlers, so I would imagine since you can leave those in longer, that would probably work better. Like you can leave them in overnight. It's something I want to try for sure. It's curlers. If I do, I'll definitely show you guys that. I'm doing the same thing in the middle and then just twirling inwards and up. I did lose a strand, but it's okay. It's a little bit better. It's not a ringlet, but it's got a little bit more of a curl. I'm gonna try to curl just the bottom up a little bit. Right there. And I put the hairspray has heat resistant in it, and I have this Cantu, it's Cantu Shea Butter Thermal Shield in it as well. There we go. And like, let me see if you can see this. That little fold there, that's the indentation thing I was talking about. But I'll just take the layering scissors and go through it. And thin that out, and so the indention's not as prominent. And I'll do one more for you guys. See if I can get it to be a ringlet. Should I turn it? I'm gonna turn it up. Go to a 7. It doesn't have temperatures on here; it just has arbitrary numbers. So we'll see how that goes. Combing out, so it's still wavy, but I don't have ringlets because I don't really want ringlets with this. I really just needed curly ends, but I wanted to show you guys how to use a curling iron because I didn't know how to for the longest time, and still very novice when it comes to this stuff because I have no hair. I have an undercut, so I don't have to worry about it. Heat it up like it is. Make sure I have all the hair I want. Come here. There we go. And this is all I'm pretty much going to be doing to this wig. Not a whole lot, nothing fancy, nothing new. Curl a little bit higher up. You see what I'm doing? Hopefully. I'm really worried about burning it. Don't want to. It's not the end of the world if I do. Okay, so I probably do this incorrectly, but just kind of pull it out. Alright, this wig is not going to take. It's a little bit better that I turned up the heat, but yeah. You got the method, hopefully. Back up a little bit right here. When I pull the thing out, I try to keep the curl intact as best as possible. Boop. It's okay. It's not bad. It's not great, but I wanted to show you how to do a ringlet, but I mean, it's the same method, it's just not taking. So do that, hold it for like 10 seconds. You should have a ringlet. Maybe if it's not doing it, crank up the heat or I would suggest getting curlers. They have like the ones that wrap now, no heat to them, and using those. Those aren't gonna damage the hair. So yeah, hopefully that was useful and informative and helpful and all that good stuff. And I have a ton of other wig styling videos if you want to go check those out. I use the curler in almost all of them, I think. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you have a great day, evening, afternoon, night, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you that this side is taking better because it just has a lot more product in it that from other things I've done to it that just didn't wash out all the way. So I wanted to show you what it actually looks like when it takes a curl, so you have a bit of a better reference. Let me turn her to you a little bit. As you can see, it's already a bit curlier, which means when I comb it out, it'll be a wavier and closer to how I want it. So the same technique, clamp it, twist upwards, inwards, upwards and inwards, and hold it for like 10 seconds. And I've left it on the same heat I had it on at a 7. So that's good. Pinch it or not, or just at least hold the head. And then as I'm untwisting it, I'm clamping it open. And see, it's much curlier now, much better. So I figured I'd show you that since it decided to do that. Alright, so bye again. Thanks for watching. Boot that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you.